Okay, a few quick reasons to add to Bonnie's video. Parent trigger legislation does a few things. It takes away local control. It takes away parent control. Basically, we sign our schools over to a corporation. And when you sign the schools over to a corporation, they close our public schools down, and then the public school reopens that as a charter school. Here's a few things you don't know about charter schools. Charter schools do not have to follow the same rules as public schools do. Their teachers and their schools are not graded by standardized tests. Even though their kids probably have to take the same test, the same rules do not apply. There are those powers that be, so to speak, that are trying to close out public schools and reopen them as for-profit charter. Now, what you may not know also as well is that kids like mine, my son David has a physical disability. He also has some learning issues. A kid like mine does not have to be accepted into those charter schools, so therefore he's left behind along with all the other kids that have different abilities, learning disabilities, kids that don't speak English. All of those children will be left with no education whatsoever. Because in a charter setting, they don't have to provide for your child's needs. They don't have to provide for any of our kids' needs, and that's just a fact. Parent trigger also takes away local control. Our school boards will have no control of what happens, no say-so of what happens. Us as parents, again, I'll say it again, we will be giving up our control if this legislation comes to pass. We need to really fight and fight hard. If we're going to accomplish anything, we need to fight together. So I suggest that you make your own video and link it to this one, and together we can fight parent trigger legislation. Thanks.